to my more important analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec. Markets on Friday 20th of April, looking at dollar yen, which is drifting higher. Has done in the last couple of days as sort of risk appetite is improved and the dollar has strengthened. You could argue, and I say could, argue the fact that maybe it's not really moving as higher as it could, as much as it could be. So is that a little bit of a concern? Maybe. You do have a bias to the upside on dollar yen now. 107.77 was that reaction high a couple of weeks ago. Basically tested this morning, but come back a touch. So that resistance is still intact. 107.90 is still the key level I'm looking at. That would be sort of, I think, the real signal. Close above that would be a sort of turnaround on a medium-term basis. Because for now, I think this is still a range play. But you do have this sort of bullish bias or positive bias on the momentum indicators, RSI, sort of ticking in the high 50s now. MACD lines sort of beginning to move above neutral. Stochastics crossing back higher again. You look at this hourly chart, and there is sort of this run of higher lows continuing. And you've actually got a little bit of a small uptrend there. So that comes in around about 730 area, and positive configuration on the MACD lines and RSI as well on the hourly. So you're sort of looking at this and still thinking little near-term moves to the downside on an intraday basis or a chance to buy for a test of that 107.90 area. Now breakout above that sort of brings you back into this sort of January-February resistance band 108.30 to 110.50 area, and it would reopen the upside again, and I think that would be something that the market would certainly look out for, because I think this is, as I said, for now a range play, but it's a range play that does have a positive bias and could be standing on the brink of a recovery. So we need to watch out for that. But for now, the bulls are still sort of being shackled to an extent. How much will that continue, though, will remain to be seen. But yeah, positive bias nonetheless. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.